So number 7, find the explicit formula for the nth term of the following sequence with the initial index being n equals 1. So what that means is n equals 1, this is the first term. Okay, so I'm just going to write out our term number. And I'm going to make a table just so you can kind of see how I'm getting the formula. So the first term, the value of the first term is 5. The value of the second term is 17. The value of the third term is 29. The value of the fourth term is 41. The value of the fifth term is 53. And it's asking us for the nth term, which means we're going to have a formula that we're going to use. Okay, so let's just look at what we know about arithmetic series. Okay, so I know to get 17, I'm taking 5, and then I'm adding the difference. Remember? That's how we get from one term to the next. So 5 plus what is 17? If you're not sure, do 17 minus 5 is 12. Okay, so then to get the third term, to get 29, we take 5 again, and then we add the difference twice. And you can check, that adds up to 29. And then to get the fourth term, I would take 5, and I would add 12 3 times. To get the fifth term, I would start with 5, and then I would add 12 4 times. So I wrote the 5 out in green because that's part of our equation. It's always 5 plus. So to figure out the rest, we're going to combine these differences. Okay, so let me pick a different color, maybe purple. Okay. So this first one, I have 5, and I have 0 12s. Just stay with me for a minute. Term 2, I have 5, and I'm adding 1 12. Right here, third one. I have 5, and I'm adding 2 12s. Fourth one, 5, I'm adding 3 12s. Do you see a pattern? I'm adding 4 12s. So this number is going up by 1 every time. But I want you to look at how it relates to these numbers. This is 1, this is 0. This is 2, this is 1. This is 3, this is 2. 4, 3. 5, 4. These are always 1 less than the term number. Okay, well our term number is n, so I'm going to call this n. But this 12 is always there. So that's going to be part of our formula. We always have the 5, and we always have the 12. And then this number is n minus 1. So we're so close. This is not the explicit formula. We're going to simplify it to get the explicit. So we're going to distribute 5 plus 12n minus 12. Combine like terms. So I have 12n, and then 5 minus 12 is negative 7. So this is the explicit formula. We use n as our variable because of that n for a sub n. So I want you to know that this is a y equals mx plus b. the difference is m, it's 12. The b is actually, if we were to go backwards to the 0 term, to the y-intercept. So if I went minus 12 back, I'd be at negative 7. So we could have just done that, found the difference, and then went backwards. So difference, variable, 0 term.